Erin and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys a really cool, simple DIY that you guys can do when you're at home. You only need a few things and it makes a really cool project. What we are making today is your very own custom DIY shoes. I'm going to be showing you guys something cool and fun and fresh that you guys can do to improve these boring white shoes. All you guys will need for this simple DIY is some shoes, Sharpies. It does not matter what color they are, you just choose the colors that you want to use. I am going to be using all blue rubbing alcohol. I just have it in a little spritz bottle. You can also use an eyedropper, masking tape. You just want to cover this part of the shoe, the sole, and the elasticy part. I am only going to be covering up this little white part here, the elasticy part. Although I did not feel like taping down the sole of the shoe, I would highly recommend taping down the bottom part of your shoe as well as the elastic. So I'm going to be doing it one shoe at a time now, so goodbye left shoe. I'm just going to start with the dark blue. Ooh, I've done it, I've done it, I've done it, I've done it, I've done it. Okay. I'm just going to proceed to fill in this circle that I've made. Blob, it's not really a circle. We all know I can't draw circles. Now I'm just gonna kind of make some random lines coming out. I forgot to say this, but my idea for this is, I don't know if you've seen like shibori dye, the dark blues, the light blues. So that was my idea for this, just because I really like how that looks, because I'm a fan of blue. In the parts in between, I'm going to take my two lighter shades of blue. I'm just going to kind of color in a little stripe in between, kind of randomly. Maybe I should have put tape down on the sole. We have our interesting design. It actually looks pretty weird right now. One thing I'm going to do is I'm just gonna kind of make this look a little bit more uneven by just going over. Now I'm going to take my rubbing alcohol and I'm just going to spray. Oh, we're doing this. I'm scared. You want to put a lot on here so it can blend and go cool. I was going to keep this top part like white, but I already got coloring on it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and embrace it and just color it. And it's starting to look pretty cool, actually. I'm excited, getting excited. Oh, it's bleeding down the shoe. I would recommend taping down that part of the shoe. I really like this a lot. I think it looks cool. I want to continue this star burst pattern kind of coming back. So I'm just gonna continue kind of trying to make it look like the lines line up. One thing that I want you to take note of is I am coloring the top edge of the shoes. Oh my. Yeah, my hands are gonna be stained for days, but you know what? It's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz the sides with the alcohol and just blend them in. Why isn't this working? Shaking, it's definitely not helping either. You should spray basically where the two colors meet. I don't know if that's obvious. So, to bring in more color, I'm going to put pink. Yes, pink. I know. It's a very bold decision. I'm going to put the pink on this back part here, and I'm just going to color this whole thing on the back pink. It's just kind of add another color to it, and then when it blends, it'll look purpley and it'll be pretty. Just gonna spray the dark blue into the pink, and then the pink into the grayish blue on either side. I am just going to finish up this shoe, and then I will do the other shoe, and we will get to see how they look together. It's been a little bit. I cleaned off the bottom part of the shoe because it was covered in Sharpie and didn't look very good. The final step is to remove the tape that I did put on. You should definitely put tape on this part. Anyway, now it's time to take off the tape, and I'm super excited. It looks, oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Okay, this one's not as good. As you can see, I got some red pen on it, and then it looks like some of the Sharpie bled, but it's pretty good overall. They look so amazing. I'm especially happy with pink and purple on the back because I think it turned out really cool and blendy. All I have for you guys this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this simple DIY that you guys can make. I had so much fun making this just in time for summer. That's it for this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell so you are notified when I post a new video. I will see you guys on Friday. Also, I am doing a Q&A, so be sure to go put your questions on my discussion tab. Bye!